Hello, let me show you a few tips how you can fix this issue when you are unable to turn on your Sony WH-1000XM5. So first of all, before you actually start, so in most cases when you click and hold this power button for a few seconds, this indicator will light up. But if it is not working, you have to be sure that you fully charged your headset, so we can do this by connecting them into any power supply. As you can see in my case, I'm just charging them by using my phone. And when this indicator turns on, it means that they are not fully charged. But when it's orange, after like 5 or 10 minutes of connected this into the power supply, you should be actually able to turn them on. But if it is not working for some reason, you will have to probably wait to fully charge them around 3 to 4 hours. Then this indicator will turn off and you can try to turn them on by holding this power key on the left headset. If it is still not working, then be sure that you are actually trying to turn on your device when the cable is not connected into USB-C port. If it is still not working, then you can try to perform the two buttons combination to perform a hard reset. So you will have to click and hold the noise cancellation button and power key simultaneously until this indicator blinks 4 times. So it looks like that. Take a look. Noise cancellation button, power key, and now just wait until this indicator blinks 4 times. Just be patient. There we go. Now the reset is complete and you can try to click and hold it and wait until this indicator lights up. As you can see, now it's not working in my case, so just release and do this one more time. There we go. Now everything is fine. So yeah, that will be all. If it is still not working and you are still unable to turn it on, then I will definitely try to take advantage of the warranty, because it's like all the tips that I can give you. There's like no any other magic tricks that you can use to actually let it work.